A lot of English learners find it so challenging to describe people's appearance, which makes them start showing and drawing, so that makes you really confused what they are talking about. Therefore, in today's lesson, we will see some appearance vocabulary you must know, so that the next time you use the right word in order to describe the right thing and make people understand you easily and perfectly. Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's video, we will see some everyday vocabulary used in order to describe people's appearance. Therefore, stay tuned and let's get it started. The first list, we have height, wrinkle, freckle, dimple, and mustache. Notice the CH is sh sound, not ch. It's not ch, it's sh. Why? Simply because mustache is not an English word. I mean, it's brought from another language, okay, which is French. Okay, so height, wrinkle, freckle, dimple, and mustache. The other side, you have a dot on the skin, a dot on the skin, like so. Hair above the upper lip, hair above the upper lip. A hollow place on the cheek, a hollow place on the cheek, mostly because people press on that when babies. From head to feet, from head to feet. A line on the skin, a line on the skin. So these are the words and these are the definitions. If you don't know height, start with wrinkle, if not freckle, etc. We start from the first one. Here we can say from head to feet is height. Height means from head to feet or from head to toe. Wrinkle. What is it, wrinkle? It's a line on the skin. Yes, some lines on the skin, mostly because of aging or other factors. Next word is freckle, which means a dot on the skin. Freckle is a dot on the skin. Dimple is a hollow place on the cheek. You know, when babies, parents, they press on the cheek. Mustache is the hair above the upper lip. Mustache. So height is from head to feet, or we can say from head to toe. They can say that. Wrinkle is a line on the skin. Freckle is a dot on the skin. Dimple is a hollow place on the cheek, like so, because of pressing on the cheek of the baby, which leaves the mark. It's beautiful. Mustache is hair above the upper lip. Hopefully, you don't confuse these anymore. Next list, we have average, balding, thick, thin, ordinary, and curly. Once more, average, balding, thick, thin, ordinary, and curly. On the other side, you have poor hair, not straight, medium, nothing special, much hair, and losing hair. Poor hair, not straight, medium, nothing special, much hair, and losing hair. We start with average. Average means medium. So we can say average height or medium height, not short, not tall. Balding means, yes, that's right, losing hair. Someone who has his hair falling, it means he's balding. Thick, which means excellent job, I heard you, much hair. The opposite of thick is thin. They are opposites. If thick is much hair, it means thin means poor hair. Not bald, still have hair, but poor. Ordinary means nothing special. Curly means not straight. Like so, curly line, not straight line. Curly hair, not straight hair. So average, medium, balding, losing hair, thick, much hair, thin. The opposite is poor hair, much, poor. They are opposites. Ordinary, nothing special. Curly is not straight. Notice there is ing, so the other side must be ing too. So bald is lose hair. Balding, losing. Okay? Whenever there's ing, it means the other side must be ing too. Next list we have blonde, brunette, attractive, ugly, straight, and crooked. Once more, blonde, brunette, attractive, ugly, straight, and crooked. The other side, with no bands, with bands, pale yellow hair, good looking, notice there's a dash between them, dark hair, and not beautiful. With no bands, with bands, pale yellow hair, good looking, dark hair, and not beautiful. So blonde is pale yellow hair. I believe blonde and brunette are not English as well. They are French. Brunette is the opposite of pale yellow. It's dark hair. What color is your hair? Tell me in the comment section. Attractive? Yes. You guessed it. Good looking? Ugly? No one is ugly, by the way. Everyone has their own beauty, you know. Not beautiful, but things can be ugly. People know. Straight? Yes. With no bands? The opposite is crooked with bands. They are opposite. If the definition is opposite, it means the words are opposite too. Blonde, pale yellow hair, brunette, dark hair, attractive, good looking, ugly, not beautiful or not handsome, straight, with no bands, crooked, with band. Again, no one is ugly. Okay. Pale yellow hair is the opposite of dark hair, which means blonde is the opposite of brunette. Okay? Cool? Now your turn. Try to describe yourself using these words. And that's it for today. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or any concern, kindly leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you very soon. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye bye.